Here's a quick unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro that I just picked up from the Apple Store. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. One more side right here. Just pull this tab. All right. We got this cover on here. Just slide that off. This is the manual here. Let's see. All right, this looks like another strap right here. Put this to the side. So this, here's the battery charger. Charger with the Apple logo here. The cable looks pretty long here. So with this right here, you would connect it to right there, and you also get the wall adapter. See right here, and we got a cable here as well. Okay, so this cable is a USB-C to a USB-C connection. Same thing right here, the wall adapter, and then you can charge the battery pack here by USB-C right there as well. And we get this pamphlet in here. Let's see what this is. Polishing cloth. The microfiber cloth. And this right here, this is a light seal cushion. Let's open this one up. Let me take this one out of the headset and let's see. So that, I guess this is a spare one here. So I just popped these out, and then looks like you get another one of these. Get an extra, you already have one on there. You can see how that looks in there. Let's go ahead and put these back on, and I'll give you a closer look here. So you have this dial here to tighten up this headband. There's only 3 buttons. You have this, you have this dial here and a button, and one over here, and just this, and that's pretty much it. I'll do a setup on these later.